Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom, has revoked PDP new Secretariat land and their old Secretariat land at Wadata House, Wuse Zone 5. These two lands have been revoked by the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom, who is also a PDP member but working for the APC government. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you're new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. The Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom, has revoked the land that was approved for the People's Democratic Party's new Secretariat in Abuja. The revocation order was communicated through a letter addressed to the PDP National Chairman Damagun. And according to the report, and based on the letter written to Damagun, the Nyesom administration or the FCT administration said that they revoked the land because of the failure of the People's Democratic Party to pay annual ground rents on the properties from January 1st. I'm talking about in particular the new Secretariat. According to the letter, the reason for the revocation was the failure of the PDP to pay annual ground rents on the property from January 1st, 2006 to January 1st, 2025. That is for 20 years. They have not paid a dime as ground rent on the property. And the FCT administration, to be frank, had been serious since Nyesom became minister to ensure that all property owners in Abuja pay their ground rate. Now, according to the reports, the FCT administration has previously issued multiple public notices in national newspapers since 2023, urging landowners in the capital city to clear their outstanding payments. That is true. I can confirm that. There are several newspapers in Nigeria that have been given the advert to publish the list of all the people owing ground rent in the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, in several volumes. That is true. And many people responded and many people have paid. That was why under Nyesom, FCT administration has generated more internal revenue than anyone could ever think of. That was because Nyesom embarked on this. So it means that despite their names being published in the newspapers that they have not paid, PDP failed to pay. So that's the consequences of their failure to pay. Unless they have other reasons they will give. So the FCT administration, in the letter that they wrote to PDP, stated that the PDP non-compliance violated Section 28, subsection 5A and B of the Land Use Act. The letter added that as a result of the violations of the Land Use Act, the land located on plot number 243, Central Area, Cadastral Zone A00, Abuja, has now been reclaimed by the Federal Capital Territory Administration, which will take immediate possession of the property. So the property now belongs to the FCT administration. The C of O given to them has been notified. Now, many people thought that it was only the new Secretariat land that was revoked. But when the National Publicity Secretary, Debo Ologun Naba, spoke to the press, he said that it was not only the new Secretariat that was revoked, even the old Secretariat was also found culpable. The old Secretariat, Wadata House at Uzezon 5, was also involved. So Ologun Naba said that the revocation was a drive towards totalitarianism and an attempt to stifle the opposition. That was his reaction. And he then said that the revocation affects both the new and old Secretariat of the People's Democratic Party. Now, what do I make of this? Now, they can claim all they like that it is a sign of APC victimizing them, stifling the opposition. But PDP have it coming. Why did I say so? If they had disciplined Nyesom Wike over his open declaration for support for Tinubu, even ahead of 2027, his anti-party activity since 2023, if they had disciplined him, suspended him from the party, sacked him from the party, so that he moved to APC, he would have been an APC minister now. And if he now move against PDP, PDP can now begin to claim that they are being victimized by the government in power, by the ruling party. But the person who revoked their land is still their party member. Is still their party member. When they will hold their next meeting, Nyesom Wike will still come. In that same Secretariat, he has revoked the allocation, because we never know. I never knew that it affected the old Secretariat, but the National Public Secretary said he did. So if they are holding the neck now, he will come, and nobody will tell him not to enter. And meanwhile, you are a party you want to take over power in 2027. You have Nyesom Wike. He is a minister in APC government. And he is telling everyone who cares to listen that he is working for Tinubu to win in 2027. When you are doing your next meeting, you allow him to come and enter, so that you people will discuss how you people are going to defeat APC in 2027. People must be jokers. People are serious. And now they are holding. They held emergency meeting. In fact, Dabo was telling the media that they are holding emergency NWC meeting. What will it achieve? Unless they are going to raise the money to pay. That's if Nyesom Wike would still accept the money, because already the time they were given to pay has passed. That was why they now repossess the land. No, so nobody can guarantee, even if they're able to raise it and mobilize the NWC, mobilize all the PDP governors, and they say it costs billions, they need to pay billions. Is Nyesom Wike still ready to collect it? Because the idea of paying the ground rent was part of the internally generated revenue process that Nyesom Wike embarked on. And he spent a lot of money in newspaper adverts to draw people's attention, those who are owing to pay. So right now the chicken has come home to roost. Why is that so? Because when they ought to discipline Nyesom Wike so that he will leave them alone, they didn't do it. Is it now? I learned that they are talking about, they are planning to suspend Nyesom Wike. Imagine. It means that these people are they don't know nothing about opposition politics and what to do. When you're supposed to discipline Nyesom Wike, you didn't do it. It is now that it's already late he has finished you people politically. That's when you are thinking of suspending him because he has revoked your land. So if he didn't revoke the land, he will still be attending your meeting, and you know that he's working for Tinubu. You know that he's campaigning for Tinubu. You know that he has promised to deliver Tinubu. Yet you are calling him for your meetings. When there is a next meeting, he will be there. Even if you don't invite him, he will come, and you allow him to enter. Nobody has the courage of his own conviction to tell him, man, you can't enter this meeting. You are no longer with us. Nobody had the courage to do it. And now he has taught them some lesson. I don't know how they're going to recover from this, because to be frank, I can't blame APC for this. I can't say it's APC that did it to them. They did it to themselves. Nyesom Wike is PDP member. Nyesom Wike, as far as we all know, is still a PDP member. So Dabo, the National Police Secretary that was making noise that APC are stifling opposition, that this is totalitarianism. That's not what I have seen. What I've seen is a PDP man dealing with PDP. That's what I've just seen. That's what I have seen. I don't know what to think about this. Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.